Hi everyone, my name is Akram and I did my MTech in Chemical Engineering from IIT Madras. While I was pursuing my MTech, there I took a course on mathematical foundation of data science. So I got very much interested into it. And after completion of my MTech course, I didn't get any core placement. So I was looking for a data science job. Then I was looking for the platform where I could learn data science. So I joined AlmaBetter and finally I got placed into MPM Infosoft as a data analyst. When the placement season was going on, my background was chemical engineering, but most of the companies that came for recruitment is data science related companies. I didn't get any job when I seen the companies that were hiring like data science guys only. So I thought if I would have known about data science earlier and if I would have gone through the course data science earlier, I could have got placed. So after completion of my MTech, I decided to do data science because I thought I'll get more opportunity than chemical engineering. There were two reasons for me to choose AlmaBetter. One is obviously pay after placement thing, and other thing is I didn't know the platform that where I can learn about data science. So when I came to know about AlmaBetter through Google searching when I was looking for some platform, there I came to know that I'll be taught by industry professionals who are actually working on the projects and they'll share their insights. They will definitely teach me the things that is needed to start a career as a data science. After completion of the course, I got into AlmaX, and in the first week of AlmaX, I got placed into MPM. The best part of AlmaBetter was like for me, it was mentorship session because I know the concepts, but I didn't have the confidence because I didn't get the chance to express my ideas. The best part of AlmaBetter for me was mentorship session with the industry experts. They'll give you the feedbacks and you work on those feedbacks, and every time you get good reviews or good feedbacks, you get lot of more confidence. Like in the market, we can learn data science from ourselves also, but the problem is there is lot of things what to learn, what not to learn. The curriculum of AlmaBetter was very refined. Just enroll in AlmaBetter. I remember one of the statement made by Shivam Datta. Just focus on the process. You learn the things what we are teaching. You will definitely get the placement. The word definitely is definitely true. So just enroll it and go through what they are teaching and just be patient. You will definitely get the placement if you have joined AlmaBetter.